we're going to program the Homelink garage door opening system in your new Panamera. We can do so by selecting the Homelink icon. There it is. And then choose a button you would like to configure. We'll do button 1. Now I'm going to take the garage door opener, I'm going to point it right at the bottom of the mirror. Hold the button down, and you're going to wait for the pop-up in the PCM. There we go. Outstanding. The configuration of the handheld transmitter has been successfully completed. Now it's time to synchronize. So I'm going to select synchronize. I'm going to go program my garage door. Okay, so we're here in the garage with our garage door unit. Now you may have a unit on the wall here, but you may need to program on the actual garage door opener unit. Make sure you check out your instruction manual for those instructions. Now here, we're going to select menu, go down to program, select enter, and we're going to go down to remote. Now it may say learn, it may say programmed, it may say a wide variety of different things. For this, we're going to select enter. Now I've got 30 seconds to get to the vehicle to synchronize the two. Okay, so we have programmed the door, we're synchronized. Now we're going to try our buttons here. I'm going to do a short press and then a long press and see if it closes, and it did not close. No problem, this happens sometimes. No problem to try again. All you do is select next. You select no, it did not open, and repeat. Let's repeat the process and see if it works again. One press and then a long press. Hey, it worked that time. Outstanding. So you'll select next, and then yes, it did work, so we'll hit continue. Your remote has now been successfully synchronized. This means when you hit the button, the garage door will open. Now you'll select finish, and you're all set. Now there's a second way you can also configure this, and that's by just hitting the button for a couple of seconds, and this pop-up will come up on the PCM. All you do there is select configure, and then you'll go through the same exact process. You now have configured the Homelink system on your new Panamera.